Looking to buy old Gmail accounts? It's essential to find reputable sellers for secure transactions. Purchasing aged Gmail accounts can be beneficial for various reasons, such as established credibility and enhanced marketing capabilities. These accounts can offer a head start in email marketing campaigns and outreach efforts, as they are less likely to be flagged as spam. Additionally, aged accounts may come with added features and benefits that can boost your online presence and engagement. When considering purchasing Gmail accounts, ensure you are dealing with trustworthy sources to avoid any potential risks or issues. Buy old Gmail accounts. Introduction to the value of Gmail accounts. Gmail accounts have value in various online activities, including email marketing, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. Buying old Gmail accounts from reliable sellers can help businesses and individuals improve their online presence and achieve their goals faster. Gmail accounts hold immense value in the digital realm, offering a range of benefits that can positively impact individuals and businesses. These accounts, with their history and established credibility, bring a level of trust and reliability that is unmatched by newer accounts. In this blog post, we delve into the importance of Gmail accounts, exploring their